Hello guys, my name is Vishal and I made this watch more than a year ago. The outer casing is from an old ammeter and the watch is watch was actually my wristwatch. I made the watch from it. Let me remove this and let me show you. Actually I broke it while removing. That's the reason everything is in pieces. So let me show you the dial over here. So for making the watch, we'll be requiring a dial of size 39 or 40 mm that will fit in it. If it's more than 40, then it will be harder to like file it. If it's around 40 or 39, then we can easily fit the dial in the case by filing it. And this is the watch that I will be using right now. This is my brother's watch, but it's lying around like for months and it's also not working, you can see. So I'll be putting a new battery in it and this should be working, and I'll be installing this in the case. So let me open the back first. So for opening the back of the watch, you can use any kind of sharp instrument. I will be using the screwdriver. Let's just pop this up. So this comes easily out, and first to take out the watch we need to take out the key, and for taking out the key you need to press this small thing over here. You need to press it hard and the key will be popping up immediately. So yeah, this is out, and then what you can do is you can just take everything out and everything will be good. And here I have the dial, and let me first check if this works or not. So I'll be putting the battery in it. So let me pop up the battery first. Let me grab the new battery for the watch, and let, let us put the new battery in the watch, and the watch should be working now. So I can definitely make my watch for the bike from this. So let me, so now what I have to do is I have to match the size of the watch with the dial earlier, that it should fit inside the case properly. So if you see, let me show you properly. So if I put this plastic covering or plastic bag of the previous dial in this watch, you'll be seeing that it is little bit bigger than the plastic covering or the plastic bag. So what I'll be doing is I'll be sanding little bit from all round the watch dial so that it goes inside the case and fits properly. So I will be filing it now, and rest of the video I will be making it fast forward because it was really becoming a long video.